Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out the SaberChops LED lightsaber chopsticks. Looking for a good stocking stuffer for the Star Wars fan in your life? Well, that just might do the trick. So you ready? Let's get into this. Alright, let's check this out. This is going to be hilarious. You can see they are little battery operated chopsticks. How well they work and how big they are, no idea, we're about to find out. But if you look on the back, registering this product means you're going to get Jedi training tips.
That's impossible!
I'm going to tell you right now, I'm a little bit skeptical of that, but who cares? Okay, let's check these bad boys out here. Well, they come in a little carrying case here. That's nice. Probably won't ever be in here again, but what the heck. There's, looks like one set. Looks like our second set here. And there's something else in here too. Looks like it comes with a little Darth Vader keychain / bottle opener. I'll take this out of here so you can get a better look. Kind of a cute little thing. It's got to be at least a little bit sturdy because, I mean, you got to be able to open bottles with this thing, right? Anyway, there's that. Alright, there's your chopstick. You gotta pull this thing out in order to connect the battery, which is pretty typical of stuff that ships with batteries in them. So let's do that. Whoa. The handle down here is just plastic and it's wrapped in a sticker that kind of looks like a lightsaber. And the top part here is just BPA-free plastic. And pushing the button here will turn these on and off. Let's see what we got here. So we got red, blue, green, purple, like a magenta color, something like that. Orange. Kind of like that orange color. And looks like the green, did we already do that? Yes. Well, it's kind of a lighter green, and then we got a lighter blue here. And then looks like we kind of start over again. Kind of nice colors, they're pretty vibrant. You're not going to be able to really tell so much on this video, but I think I'll leave it on this color right here, because that looks pretty cool. Let's check out these other ones. Just to check out and make sure that these all work. I mean, I'll tell you right now, this is a pretty freaking great gift idea, if I do say so myself. There's what it looks like on the inside when you open this up. It looks like, unfortunately, we got dead batteries in one of these things. Yeah, it happens. Not really the end of the world. These batteries are cheap, so whatever. I suppose I can give them a call and get some new batteries for this. I'll tell you what, these things look super cool, but since the base here is square, it is a little bit harder to hold on to. So if you're not really good with chopsticks, you could have a little bit of an issue with these, trying to manipulate them, but it's something you'll get used to. Also, the actual chopstick part is pretty thick too. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. In fact, here's a SaberChop, and if you have actual chopsticks, so you can see if I line these up end to end right here, they are quite a bit longer than an actual chopstick. And if you look at the base, you can see that sticking out on both ends. It really is a lot thicker too. But when you think about it, this really isn't something that's designed to really replace chopsticks or anything. It's just a cool little novelty thing. Definitely, I get that. These will definitely be harder to use than real chopsticks also, because they don't really have a gripping area down here at the bottom. But dude, they're fun. These are gonna be fun. And the good thing is that they're pretty cheap too. I'm sorry, but those things are really freaking cool. I love Star Wars, but I'm not one of those rabid Star Wars fans or anything like that. But I got a feeling I'm going to be using these things way too much. If you want a little bit more information about the SaberChops, we do have an Amazon affiliate link to them down in the description of the video. If you find anything through those links, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you liked this video, you might get some other gift ideas from this video right here. Just about everybody who spends time in the kitchen just loves little gadgets and things that they can use there, so they always make great gift ideas. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.